Hi, Bally's, my first time ever on this property, and this is my Resort Executive King Suite. By the way, this is my extended room tour. If you're looking for the full-blown experience video, check out my channel or check the link in the description below. But this is the Resort Executive King Suite, newly remodeled. Okay, so newly remodeled, and I'm liking it so far. First impression is very favorable. It's really large, it's spacious. I'm digging the open floor plan. Just gives off a lot of light, and it has great feng shui. It really maximizes the space in this room. So let's get right to it. TV, rather large for Vegas standards, perfectly positioned. It's centered in the room, so you can kind of see it no matter where you're sitting or sleeping or even bathing. So that's really convenient. You do have some connectivity right here if you want to plug in some peripherals. I wasn't able to find a mini bar, so if you like your convenient snacks and drinks like I do, you're not going to find it in this room. That's a good thing for me because I don't have a lot of restraint when it comes to that. But no minibar here, soft closed doors. I like that. I like the reds also in this room. Just the red accents gives it some edge, gives it some coolness, gives it some style. This chair in this desk area here is something I would have in my personal study. Leather, cool, sleek, sophisticated. I'm digging that. Probably won't spend a lot of time on this desk, but there is a nice desk set up here nonetheless. I would probably just use it as storage. You do have a mirror here. There are a lot of mirrors in this room. The one full-length mirror, by the way, is really where it should be, right at the end of the room when you walk out the door, so you can check yourself out, make sure you're proper before you step into the scene of Vegas. So kind of flipping back around here, there is a balcony, and I was really excited that there was a balcony because I love my balcony life. Love balcony life, I love robe life, but the only unfortunate thing is that it is closed off. You can't get out there, so it's kind of a tease. There is a peekaboo view of the pool. You can see it right there. Just a peekaboo view, but a view nonetheless, so you can keep your eye on the action and the weather. The bed is probably the main focal point of the room with the huge leather padded headboard. Again, with the red accent wall, you have the red curtains. Even the speaker intercom is painted red up there. Just a nice little touch. You do have a foot bench, bed bench right here. This is always a sign of class. Whenever you see these in a hotel room, you're probably doing it right. This is no exception. First impression of this room, again, is very positive. I usually like to keep my boots here or my outfit for the next day or anything I like to keep close to my bed. This bed, spoiler alert, is amazing. I already jumped on it. I think this is the same bed that was at Paris, and I went gaga over that bed. I raved about it. And what I didn't like in Paris were the pillows, but these pillows are actually really nice. So I'm really, really liking the bed. If the bed isn't good in your hotel room, especially in Vegas, it's kind of a dud. It kind of puts a damper on the entire experience. And this is like a Miami soft bed. So if you like your soft beds, you like to sink into it, this is the bed for you. By the way, individual lighting in this room, which I'm not a fan of because this room is large and there's a lot of individual lighting. I do wish it was systemized or centralized because you have to turn each one on and off. USB right there, by the way. And that takes a lot of effort and really just more of an annoyance. So I do wish it was centralized, but it is what it is. You do have 2 lamps on each side for reading. There is a little speaker here. I'm not sure who uses these anymore. I don't, but there is one here for you. Alarm clock. And then what I'm most excited about is this huge oversized tub. It is designed for 2 people, and that's pretty much because you have an authentic and legitimate his and hers set up. This is the his side. That is the hers side. I'll tell you why in a second. Before I get to that, some of my favorite products of all time, Jose A. Bear. I had these at Paris. Love them. Actually took them home with me. And there are 4 sets of these products. They are littered everywhere in this room, so no shortage of products. If you go through your products like I do, it's always nice to have duplicates, and they have quadruple setups in this room. Let's check out the his side real quick. It's towel mania in this room, by the way. I've never seen so many towels in a hotel room. I think there are 10 towels. Usually a hotel room has like, what, 3, maybe 4? I've counted 10. So this is the his side. Again, Jose Abe products right here. You have your separate mirror, and then you have your toilet room. Nicely sized, not too big, not too small, nice and white and bright with some accent art. And then here's the cool thing about this room, and I saw this in Caesars, and I thought it was really, really cool, is that you have your feng shui open shower. So you can kind of meet in the middle here if you want, Or if you're in this room alone like I am, you can just kind of access it from whatever side of the room you happen to be on. So if you happen to walk in this way, you can do that. Or if you want to get out and step towards this way, you can do that. So I love that shower setup with the dual door. This shower is really huge. In fact, they have a sitting area, more Jose Hebert products. You bring your products in here. You even take a break from showering, sit down and do whatever you might do. Only one shower head in a room like this. I'd like to see two because it is a suite. And also, this room is set up for two people, so it'd be nice to have two shower heads. Moving over to the hers side, and this is the hers side because of the dedicated makeup area. And this thing is done really well because it's nicely lit. Right, ladies? What's the point of having a makeup area without nice and white light? So this is one of my favorite mirrors of all time with the impregnated LEDs. Very cool. And you have a swing out mirror here as well. Again, Tulomania, another 5 here, and then more Jose Hebert products. By the way, makeup stool. So that's pretty much it for this room. I think there's a lot of value here. I really never gave Bally's much of a thought, but I'm trying to knock off these Vegas hotel rooms one by one, and eventually my time brought me here. And again, just panning around to kind of finish up here, I like it. I like it. It's not going to be the Wynn, it's not going to be the Palazzo, but you're also not paying Wynn and Palazzo prices. This hotel is perfectly positioned in the center of the strip, has access to a ton of different properties, especially the Caesars ecosystem. So if you're a big proponent of Caesars, you may want to check out this room because I think it is a great value. Again, I'm loving the open floor plan, the red accents everywhere. It's just nicely done. This is floor number 15, by the way. Again, an industrial view. I've had some bad luck with industrial views on the channel lately. Nothing you can do about it. But if you do want to get a higher floor, I would say get into the other tower. I think the other tower goes up to floor number 27. So that's going to be it for this in-depth room tour. Again, this is the Bally's Resort Executive King Suite. That's where this video is going to end, but my time here is just beginning. If you want to see what I do here for 3 days, go ahead and check out my experience video. It's going to be on my channel, or click the link in the description below. I'm going to check out the pool, I'm going to check out the gym, I'm going to eat, I'm going to drink. I'm basically going to try to find the best of what this property has to offer.